What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I am really excited today. Why? Because I have a new microphone, a real microphone. I have my Shure SM58, and I'm going to do a direct comparison to the Neewer NW700. Now, I know these are two different class of microphones, but is the cheaper microphone just as good or comparable to the more expensive microphone, more professional microphone? They are both condenser microphones, cardioid pattern microphones, I believe. Hope I'm getting that right. I believe so. But both microphones are good for audio, good for podcasting, and so on and so forth. So, how does the Neewer sound? How does the Neewer sound compared to the Shure? I'm going to get close to both microphones, and I'm recording through my Tascam audio recorder so I can switch the channels back and forth. I'm not going to do a blind test on this, but I want you guys to see if you can tell the difference between the two microphones. So I'm going to go ahead and just get right to it, and I'm going to get close to this Neewer NW700. How does it sound? This is a Neewer NW700. Does my voice sound good? Or matter of fact, let me stand back where I would normally stand if I was talking into this microphone. How does it sound? This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media. How does it sound to you guys? Or do you like the sound of the tried and true Shure microphone? This is a vocal microphone, professional, legendary vocal microphone. How does this sound to you guys? Does it sound smooth? Does it sound as good as it should? Do I sound like I finally should be sounding, considering all the videos that I've done with the lavalier mics, with shotgun mics, with other types of condenser microphones? Does it sound better talking through the Shure? Is the Shure that much better than the less expensive Neewer microphone? I think the Neewer NW700, I got it for 15, 16 bucks on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and put a little screenshot up in the in my video here. But the Shure, I think I paid $89. I think it normally goes for 99 and some change, but I caught it on a limited time deal and I got it for $89.95, I believe. I'll go ahead and put that up there for you guys to see just the same. But is the $89.99 or $99.99 microphone better than the $15.97 or whatever I paid for this Neewer? Can you tell the difference? Is the Shure microphone that much better? I really hope it is. I'm doing this in real time. I haven't tested this microphone yet. I just plugged it into my Tascam. I hope the audio recorder is recording like it should. I do hope so, but I plugged in the XLR cables, plugged it into the Tascam recorder, and I'm just going for what I know. What is that? Talking you guys' ear off, right? But anyway, does the Neewer sound good? Is it worth it? Or was the Shure microphone worth the upgrade? Does the Shure microphone sound that much better? Does it sound that much smoother? Do I have to project as much with the Shure microphone? I've read that the Shure microphones are power hungry, so I did have to turn the gain up pretty strong on my Tascam recorder, and right now what I see, it's not spiking or anything, so I can only hope that I'm not distorting this audio. If it is, this is a failed video and I'll just have to reshoot it, but hopefully, based on what I see here, I'm not spiking any peak limiters or anything, so both microphones should sound really good, should sound really smooth. So anyway, this is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media. Can you tell the difference between the microphones? If so, please let me know in the comments, and please let me know if my audio video, helps you make an informed decision on which microphone you like to get for yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next video.